Inspecting large areas is labour-intensive. Luckily, thanks to steadily improving satellite technology, high-quality data are becoming more frequently available. Aside from photos in the visible part of the light spectrum, there are also data available in other bands, such as infrared, UV, and radar. With these, changes at ground level are easier to follow and chart. Ilionx enables intelligent computer analysis. Large areas can be inspected more frequently, quickly, and intelligently. To achieve this, we use machine learning. By using provided examples, the software learns to interpret the data in order to recognize patterns in the landscape. Once equipped with this model, the software can quickly identify areas of interest. Using the same model, different areas can be periodically analyzed, annually, monthly, or even more often. It is the ideal complementary tool for analysts and inspectors in the field. The technology is widely applicable in natural, urban, agricultural or industrial areas. For more information, please contact ilionx or see ilionx.com/remote sensing.